Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a topic that almost everyone can relate to at some point in their lives: breakups. Whether it's a long term relationship or a short lived romance, breakup can feel like your world is crumbling. But here's the thing: you're not alone, and you will get through this. So, let's talk about the 5 ways to deal with a breakup that will help you heal, grow, and come out stronger on the other side. Number 1, allow yourself to feel. First things first, let yourself feel. Breakups are emotional roller coasters, and it's okay to cry, scream, or even laugh. Suppressing your emotion only delays the healing process, so give yourself permission to grieve the relationship. Journal your thoughts, talk to a trusted friend, or just sit with your feelings. Remember, it's not about how quickly you move on, but how deeply you heal. Point number 2, cut off all contact with the person you broke up with, at least temporarily. Next up, cut off all contact. I know it's tempting to text them or stalk their social media, but trust me, it only makes things harder. Unfollow, mute, or even block if you need to. This isn't about being petty, it's about creating space for yourself to heal. Out of sight, out of mind. Well, eventually. You thank yourself later. Point number 3, reinvent yourself. Now here's the fun part: reinventing yourself. A breakup is the perfect time to rediscover who you are outside of the relationship. Always wanted to try painting? Go for it. Dreamed of traveling solo? Book that ticket. This is your chance to focus on you. Take up a new hobby, revamp your wardrobe, or even redecorate your space. The world is your oyster. Point number 4, lean on your support system. Now, number 4, lean on your support system, meaning that you don't have to go through all of this alone. Surround yourself with people who love and care about you. Plan a movie night. Go out for coffee. Or just have a good old-fashioned vent session. You can do this in front of a mirror or with a buddy. Sometimes all you need is a shoulder to cry on or a friend to remind you how amazing you are. Point number 5, focus on self-love. Finally, focus on self-love. This is the most important step. Treat yourself with the same kindness and compassion you've showed a friend going through a tough time. Practice affirmations, meditate, or simply remind yourself daily that you are enough. Healing isn't linear, but every small step you take towards loving yourself is a victory. Breakups are tough, but they're also an opportunity for growth. Remember, it's not about forgetting the past. It's about building a brighter future. So take it one day at a time. And don't forget to celebrate your progress. Remember, you've got this. This video helped you? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. And drop a comment below. Let me know how you're doing or share your own breakup survival tips. Remember, you're not alone in this. Until next time, take care of yourself and keep shining.